So when you're ready, to me.
Oh, I used to believe sin made you angry with me, but then you came close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. We cannot forget, it's all about love, the love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. So awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. The story of my Jesus Christ forever made us new. So I'll throw up all my doubt as you open my eyes to see the King of the cross is now fully alive, and my shame dead at Calvary. Oh, we cannot forget, it's all about love, the love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love, but we've been forgiven in perfect love. Awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. Oh, the story of my Jesus Christ forever makes us new.
First met you far and wide, how could I forget your bright eyes when you told me your name? And tell me your favorite number, was this spell I'm under staring at the most beautiful girl. I wouldn't wanna figure this out with anyone else but you. And I know you're lonely, right here with you. And long talks and awkward silence, late nights walking through the garden, running with your hand in mine. And sunset upon our faces, heartbeats, we're changing paces when you said you'd be mine. I wouldn't wanna figure this out with anyone else but you.